Good evening, Jackie. Good evening, Cutie.
Okay.
Oh, what happened? Para ba akong virus? I'm getting into you, Cutie.
No, wait. Okay, can I...
Nasilaw lang ako. Pero gusto mo bayaran in pounds.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Or, hindi, sabi ko,
Ganyan
ano na
talaga
mas mahal na
magpayaman,
currency?
Yun ang gusto mo ba yan? Yung mas mahal.
Oh, mas mahal
Ganda.
dapat.
What about your sneakers? Where'd you get your shoes?
Ito, nabili ko sale, 50,000 lang.
I was going to say, bumibili ka ng sale. Kala ko mayaman
Parang
ka
yung
na.
50,000.
50,000.
Sandali lang. Ano siya? Parang bagong-bago. Binili mo yan
Hindi,
para
kakabili
sa...
ko lang kahapon actually, sinuot ko para dito.
Para dito, sabi ko na nga
Para
eh.
mataas yung ano niya, yung taping
Ratings
value.
namin.
Oo.
Quiet in the room. Rolling. 4, 3, 2. Action.
Hi, I'm Kathy McBurney. You can follow me at Kathy McBurney on Instagram and Facebook. Hi, my name is Micah. You can follow me on my Facebook account, Micah Sons Ray Pantoja. Hi, I'm Camille. Follow me on my social media account, Camille Cabra. Click, watch, and subscribe to Maverick Only on YouTube. Only. What the?
We're happy you're joining us. You know, Jax,
Yes.
why are you laughing?
They'll know why I'm laughing later on.
You look happy though.
I am happy. I'm always happy.
Is it because of our guest?
Yes. I'm really happy because we actually invited 2 people.
Yeah.
But the other one opted to accept the one with a higher budget. And then the one here doesn't exactly need the budget. And he's
Yaman na siya
he's a
eh.
loyal friend. Ang yaman, tingnan mo lang.
Tinalo niya yung ring ni
Correct.
ni Kate Middleton, 'di ba? Walang-wala yung ring ni Jennifer Lopez.
Pag tiningnan mo siya, talagang makikita, mayaman na kaagad.
Mayaman na talaga.
That's why I'm happy that he's here and I'm already laughing.
Diba? Actually, she said that that she wonders how it will be with just him and not his partner. Yeah. But when she invited him to guest, nag-guest pa lang siya, natatawa na siya.
Yes, sa text scene, natatawa talaga ako. And she said that if she's with him, obviously there's not going to be a dull moment.
Yeah, don't you just love that when you know you're gonna see someone and you know already you're gonna have a good
That's
laugh?
why I'm so excited. I was excited
Diba?
since last week. And it was like weeks before when I invited them. And ang tagal-tagal ng sagot, nakalimutan na yata tayo.
Hirap abutin eh.
Mahirap talaga, but talagang inabot ko. And then when he finally said yes, I was already laughing. I was so excited.
You know, they say laughter is the best medicine.
Yeah. Oh, can I just say, this show has been running for 3 years, but we started on a cable television network, and they were our guests before.
Yes,
And many people commented about how much they enjoyed our show. And when we were asked what were our top 3 favorite shows and
Yeah.
guests, we said them, right?
Yeah. We had the same.
You had, yeah.
We had the same choices actually.
Yes,
our 1
yes.
and 2.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Imagine
And
a
they
top
were-
3 in the end.
they were the
there.
ones.
And not only that, even our cameramen love them.
I know.
I never heard them chuckle, and they were
Kasi
actually chuckling.
Ang dami-dami nilang jokes na nakukuha ng cameraman natin na hindi natin nakukuha.
Matagal. After the guesting,
O sige, rolling. 4, 3, 2. Ayan, sige. Rolling. 4, 3, 2. Action.
The Misadventure of Maverick only dito lang sa Totoong TV only. What the?
Galing! Galing, galing, galing.
even our cameramen love them.
I know.
I never heard them chuckle, and they were
Kasi
actually chuckling.
Ang dami-dami nilang jokes na nakukuha ng cameraman natin na hindi natin nakukuha.
Matagal. After the guesting, hindi iniisip ko, paano ba talaga yon? I only got it today when you explained it to me in the dressing
Ay,
room.
2 years ago na yun, darling.
I know, hindi ko talaga na-get.
Anyway, you will meet whoever we're talking about when She Said returns.
Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2. Action.
Hi, I'm May Santos. You can follow me on my Instagram, santos.may. Click, watch, and subscribe to Maverick Only on YouTube.
we said, and it is an honor for us to have somebody na talagang mahirap abutin, pero naabot ko naman. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Maverick.
Hello. Good evening, Jackie. Good evening, Cutie.
Okay.
Oh, what happened? Para ba akong virus? I'm getting into you, Cutie.
No, wait. Okay, can I...
Nasilaw lang ako.
Okay, can I just...
Nakaching ka sa ano?
Direct, pwedeng
Nasilaw sa
paki-close up lang yung bibig
teeth,
niya.
Yung teeth.
Okay,
yung
yan.
close-up smile.
Okay, can I just ask, did you put that on for this show? Or matagal na yan? Or is that really something,
I had it
implants
for,
ba yan?
I don't know if I had it the first time I guested here.
No, you didn't.
I did
You
not.
weren't as rich yet.
No, I mean, I was. It's just hindi ko pa naisip na, kasi wala na akong pinaglalagyan ng pera, kaya sabi ko, sa ipin ko
na lang.
ilalagay.
Ipin
Wait,
na lang.
wait.
Ganyan naman sa olden times eh.
Are those
Yeah.
supposed to help straighten your teeth or do something? Or
Purely
pagulat lang? Or...
Access.
Paano lang, papansin lang.
Papansin.
Para mas mapansin ka.
Okay, and then, pag tinanggal mo, when you eat, tinatanggal mo ba yan?
Kapag pagkain mayayaman, you can eat with it. Pero pag pagkain mahihirap, kailangan mong tanggalin. Kasi baka
Ano
matanggal yung mga
pagkaing
bato
mahirap?
Okay, anong pagkain mayaman? Anong
Yung
pagkain
mga-
mahirap?
Pag pagkain mahirap, usually mga isaw. Yan. Mga
Kinakain ko yan.
mga
Adidas.
Betamax.
Betamax,
diba?
yan.
Yung tipong may vitamin na Hepa A, Hepa B, kumakain ka.
Oh, and then, pagkain mayaman?
Ay, mga katulad ng mga sashimi.
I see.
Mga tuna sashimi. Mga
Wait, but when you go home,
tempura. Yan, mga
tinatanggal mo yan.
Japanese.
Oo.
So, what is behind that? May ipin ka ba sa likod? Wala na?
Meron pa rin naman.
Meron kasi it's holding on to the teeth eh.
Yeah, there's like a silicone that will hold to your teeth.
Pinagawa mo yan?
Yeah, I had it made.
Mahal?
Mukha bang mura?
No, what's more expensive? Your ring? Or your, anong tawag dyan?
They call it grills.
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 Yung mga
Parang
wrap-
kotse na may grills.
Yeah, grills.
Ah.
Yung mga rappers sa States.
Meron
what they
sila.
usually wear. Sila Nelly.
Okay,
ayan,
does it
sila
hurt?
Neo.
Nakakaano ba? Sugat?
Hurt? Hindi naman. Mas masarap halikan pag may ganito.
Really?
Subukan mo nga,
Paano
Jacqueline.
alam?
Ano?
Paano mo alam? Did you kiss anybody wearing like that?
No,
Or
yun
sinasabi
lang
lang?
nasabi. Yun ang nakalagay sa instruction manual ng ipin.
Mas masarap
Yung grills.
for you or for the girl kissing you?
Probably for the girl.
Or the boy?
Nay.
Depende kung sino yung nalikan.
Alam mo, walang sinabi si Kate Middleton sa ring
Sa
mo.
ring mo.
Yeah, actually magkamag-anak to tsaka yung sing-sing ni Kate Middleton. Kasi galing din kay Queen Elizabeth.
Talaga? Mabigat?
Kala ko
Ha?
galing kay
Mabigat?
Mabigat. Ito galing to kay Pope Paul VI.
Talaga?
Oo. Nung
Pinaubayan niya sa'yo.
Yeah, nung
Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, goddamn, action.
Hi everyone, I'm here in Diaz. I'm the model for Guapo Car. And you can follow me in my Instagram at Natali_0010. And of course, click watch and subscribe to Maverick only on YouTube. Only. What the?
mabigat. Ito galing to kay Pope Paul VI.
Talaga?
Oo. Nung
Pinaubayan niya sa'yo.
Yeah, nung nagpunta ako sa
Vatican.
sa Vatican.
So
Nakita
when-
ko to naka-display sa isang parang ganitong
Kinuha mo na.
ang tawag dito.
Una break the glass.
No.
Ito, center table.
Yeah, center table. Tapos nakasalamin lang siya. Tapos sabi ko, how much is that? Tapos yun, afford naman. Yung tama
Kasi
lang yung dala
museum,
kong
diba?
Yeah. Tama ang dalang budget.
Wala naman alarm.
Hindi, I bought it fair and square. Di ko ninakaw.
Over the table.
Yeah.
Ah.
Magkano naman inabot? Ilang euro?
Hindi, pounds eh.
Aba!
Mas mahal. Euro,
Nag-currency
mura lang. Yung mga
exchange
euro,
rate ka pa
63
dun.
lang yata. Yung pounds, mga 89,
80 plus.
90.
Yeah.
Ah.
How about your shoes?
So, binigay yung price sa'yo in euro, pero gusto mo bayaran in pounds.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Or, hindi, sabi ko,
Ganyan
ano na
talaga
mas mahal na
magpayaman,
currency?
Yun ang gusto mo ba yan? Yung mas mahal.
Mas mahal
Ganda.
dapat.
What about your sneakers? Where'd you get your shoes?
Ito, nabili ko sale, 50,000 lang.
I was going to say, bumibili ka ng sale. Kala ko mayaman
Parang
ka
yung
na. 50,000?
Sandali lang. Ano siya ha? Parang bagong-bago. Binili mo yan
Hindi,
para
kakabili
sa...
ko lang kahapon actually, sinuot ko para dito.
Para dito, sabi ko na nga
Para
eh.
mataas yung yung taping
Ratings
value.
namin.
Oo.
Sana yung mga ratings nyo, gano'n na rin yung amin.
Oo naman. I mean, sa kaganda nyo yan, siguradong mataas ang rating nyo.
Yan ang gusto namin sa'yo.
Anong oras ba lumalabas
Tell the
tong show?
truth.
Hindi mo ba alam? Wala ka bang
Right
watch?
now, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi everyone, this is Molly Eva Bailon. You can follow me both on my Instagram and Facebook. Just type Molly Eva A. Bailon. And of course, I'm inviting everyone to please click, watch, and subscribe to Maverick only on Only What the?
Click, watch, subscribe to the misadventures of Maverick only dito lang sa Totoong TV. Only What the? Stay hyped and happy. Oh.